truck.
We're gonna tell Mama what we got, okay? We're starting with our most boring ones first. That's gonna be all these utility vehicles, okay? We got your garbage trucks, your concrete, your gravel, your tanker, and your ambulance, and then we're gonna move on to your regular pickup trucks, then your classic pickup trucks. Now your mini-sized monster trucks, and then your regular vehicles just with a big lift and big tires on there. Then we're gonna come over here, and these are our modern-day sports vehicles. Come all the way over here, and now we have our little mini SUV/vans. Then we have our Jeep type vehicles right here. Now we have our classic car vehicles right here. Then we're gonna come over here. We have our classic car, muscle car, sports car vehicles. We shoot on over to here, and now we have our larger monster truck vehicles. We come over here. We have our semi trucks that pull, 18-wheeler loads and everything. And that's just a big truck that kind of didn't belong. And then we have the highlight, which is our real monster trucks that go and do the monster jams in it. These are all
Did you do this?
ridiculous cars. Oh, and I didn't do these.
Yeah.
We got our policemen, our SWAT, and our fire.
Look at these. And that, boy?